Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is a piece of steel that I use, a flat plate of steel that I use when I'm doing alignment on hub stands. And you need to have the hub stand gliding over a perfectly flat surface. So this is this is the way to go. I have some aluminum ones too, but this is steel. Probably weighs 15 pounds, I'm guessing. And I laid something on top of it and I got some corrosion. It's not anything that's been coated. Maybe I should shoot it with a little bit of polyurethane or something, but I want to get this corrosion out before I put it away. So I've got an angle grinder here, and I put in a 400 grit wheel right there. I'm going to use a little alcohol. I was trying to get this off with steel wool and sandpaper, but that's too much work. I figured I've got a power tool, I might as well use it. And 400 seems like it'd be about right. It's got a little bit of a texture to it where it was ground perfectly flat by the guy who made it for me. So I'm going to clean it with some alcohol so that I don't load up the wheel with any oil from the WD-40 that I was using, and then we'll give it a shot. See if I can get that out. I think I'm going to need two hands on this. This tool can be dangerous. It spins up to 10,000 RPM, and that wheel, if that wheel hit something or came apart, it would not be good. So, safety goggles. I'm not going to wear gloves because I like to be able to control the tool without gloves. But let's spin it up. The switch, I do not like the switch on this very much. I ran it as flat as I could run it. I didn't want to cut in. I think this would probably cut into the steel a little bit. And it feels pretty nice. You can see where I started there. I had a little bit too much angle on it, and I had an edge of the polishing wheel, but then I flattened it out. So let's dribble a little more alcohol on it and wipe it down. I'm not trying to polish this so that it's like a mirror or it's, yeah, I know I'm going to get some, I'm going to have some marks left in it, and that's okay. I just don't want there to be any roughness so that when I'm using it, right there, a little bit more roughness right there. So I'm going to hit that again. So I'm just doing this dry wheel or dry steel. So I did actually hit it enough so that I got the color right out. That means I'm taking some of the steel off. And it has some texture lines in it from where it was processed. But now that feels pretty good. I'm going to put a little WD-40 on there and leave a little coating on there. Okay, so that's just me using a angle grinder on a piece of steel. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. It was easier than using steel wool and sandpaper. Give me a like or click on the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.